hand under it. It's the last time you'll ever have the upper hand.
I'm ecstatic about Cassie and Kelly getting married today. I mean, I knew it was gonna be amazing, but like now that we're here and everything's happening, I think it's gonna be amazing.
Dude, I'm so stoked for them. I know that whatever it's gonna be and whatever is gonna come their way, they're gonna figure it out together.
Hey, this is for Cassie and Kelly.
Oh my God.
That was really good.
Okay, ask her
Definitely use that.
Wish you and Kel like a lifetime of happiness.
You guys are like two crazy pieces that just fit. It's perfect.
And we love you guys.
Yes.
And congratulations. Cheers.
Congrats, guys. Cheers.
What do I think about Cassie and Kelly getting married? I think it's awesome. They're perfect for each other.
One of my best friends. Both of them. Vroom vroom party starters. Yeah. Cheers here. That's it. I'm good. I can't do anymore. I cannot do anymore.
Why in the world are you marrying Cassie?
Because she's the best girl in the world.
Oh.
And she makes me the happiest.
I can't believe that tomorrow's even Saturday.
We're getting married tomorrow, baby.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I'd like to begin by welcoming everyone to this special day. Beautiful Montana. I truly can't think of a better location for this occasion. I think I've met most of you at some point or another, but for those who don't know me, my name is Mike. I'm the older, wiser, and cooler older brother of Cassie. Watching this love from the sideline, it was clear that the two of them are a perfect couple. They complement each other so well. They balance one another, and while each of them are awesome individuals on their own, they are better together. A team, a unit, legit partners in crime.
It was one time.
So when I met Kelly, Figgly Wiggly, Surefig, I saw in him the ability to love my sister for her unique and truest self. We took a family vacation to Norway last year, and Kelly called me to share that he would be proposing to Cassie. I knew if she said yes, they would have a lifetime of happiness ahead of them and could kill it together. Fast forward to today, and we're here celebrating their love.
We are here to witness their love and commitment to one another. I wish I could tell you a single story about these two that summarizes their relationship and the bond that they share. The truth is, there isn't one single event that can represent what they mean to me, to each other, and to all of us. I do know they care deeply and passionately for one another. They protect each other, they make each other laugh, and sometimes cry. Time magically seems to fly by and slow down when you're around them. So, without further ado, let's do this. And now, by the power vested in me by the state of Montana, it is my pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife.
Walk into the room, I can't help stop and stare. Show me what you got. I hope you came prepared right there. Cause when you're messing with someone like me, getting check. Cause there's no way that I'm gonna leave till I get that thing.
Glasses up to the newlyweds. We're here to celebrate you. We fucking love you guys. To a lifetime of happiness.
I want. This is what I want. This is what I want. What I want. This is what I want. That makes me cool.
But from everything I've seen, high, low, left, right, there is nothing I know you guys can't do. So fucking do it. Cause you got it.
I love you guys. You guys are doing good.
This makes me happy. Two motherfuckers love each other. Doesn't happen that often. We're gonna get fucking hammered tonight.
What I want. This is what I want. What I want. This is what I want. That thing, that makes me cool like crazy.